What's up guys, Sparky Izzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your lighting from this to this. Alright guys, so my existing garage lighting isn't great. It's just some basic LED lamps, but the goal is to brighten it up an easy way. I could put a bunch of lights in the garage because I am an electrician, but I wanted to show you more of a DIY type of lighting upgrade. So in this video I'm using Lumary's UFO style high bay lights. These are actually smart lights, so you're able to control them with an app. Also, all you gotta do is plug these into a 120 volt receptacle, or an outlet some people call it, and you just plug it in and you're able to control it with the remote or the Lumary app, so it's very convenient. These fixtures also come with the hook, so you can basically hang them anywhere, and it comes with the white adapter that screws in, and that's how you're able to connect to the app. The LEDs put out 22,000 lumens. It has a color temperature range from warm white all the way to cool white. To install the hook, you just simply screw it on, and then there's a little Phillips set screw that you tighten to make sure that it doesn't loosen up. For the first fixture, I decided to use a screw eye. So what I had to do is I had to find a piece of wood in the ceiling with my magnetic stud finder. And once I found it, I just had to drill a screw, and then I screwed in the screw eye so I had something to mount the fixture to. So currently the light in my garage is turned on by a motion sensor switch, so I had to get a little bit creative. What I did is I found some socket adapters, so you screw them into a light socket and it converts it to a plug. So I'm able to plug the new light into the socket of the old fixture. In order to make these smart lights, you have to remove the 1/2 inch knockout at the bottom of the fixture and replace it with a mushroom shaped adapter. There's a small guard on the mushroom connections that needs to be removed before you actually screw it in. You'll know if the mushroom was installed correctly because the light will start flashing, meaning that it's in pairing mode. And now we should be able to easily add it on the Lumary app. Once this device links up with the app, it's going to be very easy to control it. After the fixture is paired with the app, you can unplug it and plug it back in and hold the pair button on the remote. This will pair the remote to the fixture in case you don't want to use the app to control it and you want to use the remote instead. For the second fixture, I want the light to come on with the garage light, so I'm going to screw in the new socket adapter into where the old lamp was. For this fixture, I'm going to mount it underneath the storage rack because it's perfect to hook onto, and I'm going to run the cord to the socket that I just installed. With the fixture on, we can screw in the mushroom to put it in pairing mode. And you're going to repeat the steps to connect everything to the app, and as well as to program the second remote. You can also pair multiple lights into a group. You can click on the fixture, click Create Group, Then add all the fixtures that you want in one group and then hit save. Once all your fixtures are synced, you can click on the group and you'll be able to control all your fixtures from one screen. And just like that, you've upgraded your dull lighting in the garage to a bright baseball field, fast and easy. If you purchase the Lumary Hub Bridge, you can use your voice to control the lights, which is convenient in case your hands are full of tools or oil. One of the fixtures is controlled using a motion sensor switch in the garage, and the other one is tied to the garage door opener. So if there's motion on the sensor, it'll turn on, or if the garage opens, it will turn on. Keep in mind, do not install these fixtures off a dimmer switch. If you want to dim the lights, you're going to have to use the app or the remote. I used some zip ties to clean up the cords as best as I could, and overall I'm very happy with this easy upgrade. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Sparky, Izzy, peace.